You have already clicked on my video, and it means you are facing some problem with VedioScribe, just like white screen problem or any other problem. So first of all, we are seeing that what kind of problem we have to face. So we are opening VedioScribe. So we just log in and offline mode. Okay, we are clicking yes. This is the problem. A white screen we are seeing long time, and it's never show us any other options. It only showing us this white screen. So we have to solve it. We're closing this. Now again we are trying to open this. We are trying twice, but nothing changed here. So now we are going to show how to solve this problem. So let's go to C drive, then users. So here you can see two folders, public and others one. You have to click others files with not public. So clicking on here. So now we have to go to view, and we have to display our hidden files. We have to show our hidden files. So I am clicking on hidden files. I have to check it. So now you can see a folder that's name is app data. If you are using Windows 7, you can find it from search box. You have to search and folder option for folder options. And if you are using Windows 7, then view and don't show hidden files to show hidden files and apply. So that is just like this process. You don't have this option if you are using Windows 7, but I am using Windows 10 and I can do this. Just simply I can check this and find this folder, and I am opening this. So next we have to go to roaming, and then we have to click VedioScribe desktop and local store, library, just and we have to delete all this. Now we have to delete this file. Okay, delete. So let's see this directories, VedioScribe, and let's see this. Now we are opening VedioScribe again. Okay, we're trying to open this now. Okay, now we are seeing that our VedioScribe is open perfectly and the white screen problem has gone. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay with my channel. See you on the next time. Tata.